evening on The Debate Tonight. Congress insider and former Minister Manish Tiwari admits the UPA failed to act after 26/11.
Decisions of this nature during Prime Minister Modi's time, 2014 onwards, is done with a clear-headed leadership, whereas which was completely absent during the UPA days. And that is why, in spite of such a blatant attack, we have not had justice given to us till today.
Manish Tiwari's opinion matches the real evidence of failure. Was India truly betrayed? Massive Republic scoop on cryptocurrency bill details set India's news agenda. As the government thinks of banning private cryptocurrencies, political fights break out over the Republic news break.
चाचा जान और अब्बा जान के नैया से कहूंगा, माहौल खराब करोगे, सख्ती के साथ सरकार निपटना भी जानती है.
Yogi gives it back as Owaisi threatens Shaheen Bagh. Is polarization the number one card in this election? And proclaimed offender tag delivered on his doorstep as news emerges of Parambir Singh hiding in Chandigarh. What former minister and Congress leader Manish Tiwari has said in his upcoming book is not a state secret. In fact, it only matches real evidence of what happened post 26/11. The question I began with today, we had said exactly that then. We were called bloodthirsty warmongers. Were we the bloodthirsty warmongers then, or has Manish Tiwari become a bloodthirsty warmonger now, ladies and gentlemen? I've always had the view that you cannot ascribe these very easy captions on a person's thinking. So I'm of a clear view that even if now, if 13 years later, Mr. Tiwari is seeing reason and writing about it, it's okay. As long as he comes to the moot point. Was India betrayed? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, what Mr. Tiwari is saying now proves even more because it comes from an insider, a person who went on to become a junior minister in the MEA, that India was betrayed after the Mumbai attacks. Let's debate.
November 2008, a day etched in the memory of every Indian. A day when 9 Pakistani terrorists held the financial capital hostage by attacking the most iconic locations. They killed 166 people. The biggest terrorist attack on Indian soil. One would have thought that this would prompt the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh to take a decisive action and respond befittingly to Pakistan, but there was none. 13 years later, a Congress insider is exposing the UPA government on national security. A minister in the UPA-2 government, while announcing the release of his book, has released an excerpt of the book that is at the center of a controversy. Manish Tiwari has opined, restraint is not a sign of strength. It is perceived as a symbol of weakness. There comes a time when actions must speak louder than words. 26/11 was one such time when it just should have been done. It therefore is in my considered opinion that India should have actioned a kinetic response in the days following India's 9/11. The current ruling party has compared this inaction to the decisive action taken post Uri and Pulwama.
Decisions of this nature during Prime Minister Modi's time, 2014 onwards, you would see is done with a clear-headed leadership which takes the armed forces into confidence and addresses the issues. Whether it is Pulwama or whether it is Balakot, each one of these places, immediately the administration came to assess for itself and gave the armed forces the fullest right to take an appropriate decision at an appropriate time, as a result of which you saw how India responded to such situations, whereas which was completely absent during the UPA days.
The UPA government's inaction post 2611 is not a secret. For the last 13 years, there have been talks over it. From the former air chief, who said that Air Force was ready with a plan but didn't get a response, to the then Foreign Secretary who believed that military and not diplomatic retaliation was the answer. And now Manish Tiwari. The Congress has been given enough reality checks, and yet they seem to be in denial.
इस बाद उनको होश में आने का ये देख के मुझे बड़ी अजीब लग रहा है, क्योंकि इन्हीं लोग हमारे कद्दावर नेता थे, है इन्हीं लोग ज्ञानी पंडित भी है, इन्हीं लोग मंत्री साहब मंत्री भी बने रहे थे। उस समय क्यों ये सरकार को ये नसीहत नहीं दिया गया था कि एक्शन लिया करो, वाट नहीं।
And those who are responsible for making those decisions, those who chose to show restraint and not to punish Pakistan after the most dastardly attack, have gone silent again.
सर मनीष तिवारी ने कहा है कि यूपीए सरकार 26 से 11 के टाइम पे एक्शन नहीं ले पाएगी।
सर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सर? आपकी मीटिंग हुई है सर अभी मैडम से।
What is certain is that national security was compromised post 2611, and it was possibly the biggest betrayal. And those in power then can't escape the questioning.
इस दर्द के लिए सोनिया गांधी, मनमोहन सिंह जिम्मेदार है, क्योंकि उस वक्त उनकी कांग्रेस की सरकार थी और कांग्रेस ज़रा अच्छे से अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझते तो शायद हमारे साथ ये 26/11 वाला हादसा नहीं होती। इसके लिए हमारे साथ जो कुछ भी हुआ और हिंदुस्तान में जो कुछ भी उस वक्त हुआ, सभी के लिए मनमोहन सिंह और सोनिया गांधी और कांग्रेस के जितने भी कार्यकर्ता हैं वो सभी जिम्मेदार थे।
So, Gaurav Bhatia, Smita Prakash, Air Marshal P.K. Borbora, Ramanik Man, Professor D.K. Giri, Hardeep Singh Kingra of the Congress, spokesperson of the Congress, Abdul Razak Khan and Vikraman, part of the DMK alliance in Tamil Nadu. Thank you very much, VCK. Now, you know, Smita, I began by saying that they told us that, oh, you want action against Pakistan, you're a warmonger. You're a bloodthirsty warmonger. So has Manish Tiwari, one of their very own, become 13 years later, DK Giri, a bloodthirsty, I repeat, Hardeep Singh Kingra, a bloodthirsty warmonger now? Has he, Mr. Kingra? Tell me, tell Smita, the nation wants to know. Because when we spoke for the truth, then you tried to censor us. You almost said, I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you an inside story, please. I was told at that point of time, I was told that you were fed up with the questioning some of us did of your weak-kneed, pusillanimous, ignorant, so-called foreign policy. You said, oh, you don't understand the bigger picture. We are the seminar circuit. We understand the bigger picture. You're a foreign service officer. Weren't you in the foreign service then, Mr. Kingra? I can't hear you. Volume louder. Are you also becoming a bloodthirsty warmonger now?
Officer. Let me correct it.
So are you a bloodthirsty warmonger then, or are you a bloodthirsty warmonger now?
If you turn the pages of the history, Arnab, 65 you may not be born at that time, and 71 we divided that country into two, and the Congress was in power. We taught a lesson hard enough to that country twice, which was never done after that. Okay, don't say historically Congress has
answer the question, sir.
with blood.
Answer the question. You compromised the
From
country.
every
Why did you
angle, whether
compromise
it
the
is
country?
internal
Just tell me
security
that.
or it
Your
is a
party
threat from
compromised the country.
Pakistan.
You compromised the
We
country.
never compromised.
No, you have compromised the
on the security
country.
of the country. Mr. Tiwari
Of course,
has
Manish
written a
Tiwari is
book
saying
which
you
I have
compromised.
not read it, which has not yet been out. Okay, no, Mr. Tiwari's personal views are, or Mr.
Is
Tiwari
he out
might
or
be
in?
having
Or is he still in
information
your
more than
party,
I have.
out or in?
Okay, and Mr. Tiwari's...
Are you disowning him because he's spoken the
Tiwari's
truth
book
13
is
years
not
too
yet
late?
out. I will have to read
can't hear him,
the
louder.
content of that book in a contextual manner. What is the context of writing such thing?
What contextual
Mr. Tiwari
manner?
might be having
What
his own
contextual
personal
manner?
opinion.
What
Arnab,
contextual manner?
Because we have
Insider
taught
has revealed that you
Pakistan
betrayed the country.
lesson
What
twice,
contextual
and
manner?
a very tough lesson.
Don't give me English, sir. Don't give me English, sir.
No,
Speak the truth tonight. Don't give me English,
Pakistan was
sir.
made
Give me
into
fact.
two
Give me
nations
cool hard
in
fact tonight.
71 by the Congress only. BJP was not sitting in the parliament even.
So what am I supposed to do?
Okay, we divided.
Well,
the
I'm
nation
asking
into
about
two.
2008,
we
sir.
splitted that country.
What okay?
What a
It's
blow
not
we
okay.
gave.
Smita
So entire
Prakash,
nation
they don't know
knows
where to look now.
and knows
They
it
want to
very
burrow
well.
themselves into some hole. They want to climb the trees, but they don't want to accept the facts. And the fact of the matter
we
is,
don't
13
want to
years after
burrow into any
26/11,
hole.
your very own has revealed the
We
truth.
brought this
Smita,
nation to the level
Of
where
course
we
you
are.
do.
We made this nation self-sufficient in food.
May I?
We made this nation
No,
a
sir, you
business
didn't.
power.
1970.
We
No,
made
sir,
this
you didn't.
nation an economic power.
No, let's leave
What do you have
1971
I want to get over
behind us.
1971,
Let's
please.
talk about the Mumbai attacks. We are three
No,
days, sir,
Manish Tiwari has
we
revealed
are
the
3
truth.
days away from
No,
the
Manish Tiwari has revealed the
26/11
truth.
anniversary.
Okay, Smita is on the debate. Smita.
Can we just talk about 26/11? Can we just talk about... Arnab, we are 3 days away from the
we will have to
26/11
talk about the country as
attacks,
internal
and
security
this
as
gentleman
internal
wants to talk
security.
about Bangladesh war. So can we just talk about right now what Manish Tiwari has written? Yes, agreed, the book is not out. But Arnab, I just need to say this also, that Manish Tiwari is not just a congressman, he's not just a security expert because he's been on the Intel committee. But he also, let's not forget that his father was gunned down by terrorists in Punjab in 1984. He was just a teenager then, but he sat in a cabinet which took the decision not to attack Pakistan covertly or overtly after 26/11 and take a kid's glove approach. I haven't read the book, just as most of us haven't read anything other than the excerpt that has come out. But for a government to have taken the soft approach to terrorism and intel it was very easy. You see, everything was blamed on sketchy intelligence. That is what the National Security Advisor at that time said, that we had just sketchy intelligence. Just like Kargil was also blamed on lack of intelligence. Just because the IB and the RAW in this country does not defend itself, that is why it's very easy to blame the intel. But the fact is that we had a very soft and very... The government of the day was immobilized. The government of the day, this gentleman who's shouting and screaming, I wish at that time they had shouted and screamed at the cabinet at that time and asked them to take proactive measures, kinetic measures. Instead, they were immobilized at that time. Nothing was done other than just wait and hope that the international community would take our side, because neither covertly, sir, nor overtly did we do anything. No visible retaliation was taken. You need guts of steel to do that. You need leadership that will exhibit that strength, and a sense of purpose needed to be exhibited. And that is when the people of India wanted to see something, but what happened? They did not see that in their leadership, so hence they did not demand it from their leadership. It took several years later for national security to come up on the agenda of this country.
Why are you not showing your guts to China?
It is not easy to say so.
Why are you not
Unfortunately, there were many of us who were saying at that time, and we were considered warmongers. We were considered, no, it is not easy to say so. It is people like you taking mombattis, going on the border, taking candles and going on the border and saying milne do for the people of this country. And that is why no strong action was taken, because people like you who were peaceniks, who had a larger say in national security.
Your red eyes. Why don't you do it to China? Yeah, do that with China. I challenge you. Why don't you do it in China?
Are we talking about 26/11, which was perpetrated? Come on, don't you know who were the perpetrators? Was China the perpetrator. We are talking about the 2008 attacks. Again, Dr. Giri, I have to say, Professor Giri, you have come unprepared as usual to a debate, and you want to talk about China on something which was a terror attack by Pakistan when China was not a player. As usual, you come unprepared
about China. He wants to talk about China. 1 minute. Smita, I'm on the debate right now. Gaurav Bhatia is coming into the debate. And you want to talk about China, then first ask the Congress Party. First ask the Congress Party. For 1 minute, please. Let me complete. I'm coming in with the intervention, please. First ask the Congress Party why the Vadra Congress, which treats Chinese propaganda as sacrosanct and holds press conferences to amplify it.
Easy to shout about. No, not Chinese propaganda. Take on China.
There may be a Modi's BJP.
I'm on the moot point now. I'm on the moot point. I'm on the moot point. He holds something up on China. Okay, on the debate right now. Gaurav Bhatia holds up the famous picture which can be described full frame. Gaurav Bhatia is showing the visual proof. Mr. Kingra, take a close look. Can you describe what you're seeing on TV, please? Mr. Kingra, what is the paper which Gaurav Bhatia is holding? Mr. Kingra will now describe the picture Gaurav Bhatia is holding full frame on the debate screen, please. Mr. Kingra, what do you see? आप क्या देख रहे हैं? उनके हाथों में क्या है?
No, I can't see anything because the TV is not in front of me. I can't see anything on the TV because it is not in front of me.
Okay, can I describe?
So Arnav, can I make my
opening? Let me tell you, Arnav.
Can I describe
it? I don't call it a debate from any angle. Please go ahead.
I don't need your certificate. Gaurav Bhatia is on the debate.
No, so do I. Yes. So do the Congress. Doesn't need a certificate from Arnab Goswami.
I will respond.
Congress is a party which is known to everybody. It is the oldest political party in the country. We don't need any certificate. Those who are not born.
It's the one minute. It's the political party which has had the most meek, M-E-E-K, meek foreign policy ever. It is a party which, after 26/11, compromised my country's national interest.
That is your opinion, which you might not have read it properly.
Being repeated by Manish Tiwari tonight.
Of the history. Go through the pages of the history.
I understand English well enough.
Go through the history pages. Arnab, please read the history of this country.
I don't need to learn history from you, sir.
After independence.
Arnab,
I don't need history from you. I don't need to learn history from you.
I'll not be bullied.
Then why
Gaurav Bhatia is on the debate with Mr. Kingra. Yes,
you call it a debate? I don't call it a debate at all. I don't call it a debate at all. It is a chaotic situation on your channel.
Mr. Tingra, please hear us out. Sir, हमारी बात सुनिए, उसके बाद आप उत्तर दीजिएगा. Arnab, today this press conference by the BJP echoed the sentiments of every Indian. And 7-8 hours have passed. And there is a deafening and a very shameful silence of Sonia Gandhi ji, who has not spoken on the subject. If the Congress defense is that Manish Tiwari's book is not out, I am saying I will leave it for a moment. But mujhe ye bataiye, the former Air Chief Marshal Fali Homi Major very responsibly made a statement, and he said that our brave Indian Air Force was ready to teach Pakistan a lesson and were waiting for a nod from Manmohan Singh ji. That approval, that permission never came. So I want to ask, there could only be two reasons, Arnab. The first is that Sonia Gandhi ji and Congress party loves Pakistan so much that they did not want a retaliation by the Indian Air Force. And second could be that they did not trust the army and the Air Force of our country. In any case, it is unpardonable, and people of India will not forgive them, because today what Manish Tiwari has said is an admission of Congress's failure. My second point, the difference
so now and not talking at all, and he doesn't let me talk.
भाई साहब, मैं अपनी बात तो पूरी कर लूं. आप गुस्सा क्यों हो जाते हैं? मैं बताइए, आपकी बात सुनता रहा 10 मिनट तक.
सुनिएगा,
मैं आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा हूं और आप उत्तर दीजिएगा.
अब आप मेरी भी बात
मैं बिल्कुल सुनूंगा, वादा रहा.
मेरी बात भी ध्यान से सुनिएगा, उत्तर मेरा ध्यान से सुनिएगा.
अर्नब,
हाँ, when the war is declared,
बिल्कुल सुनूंगा,
when a war is declared,
you know what
by a democracy,
मैं तो पहले बात पूरी करूं, फिर तो आप बोलेंगे.
the decision is never taken by the uniformed men.
टिंगड़ा जी, आप बीच में बोलते हैं.
Will you let me speak,
Please.
Mr. Arnab? I was
Please सुन
patiently
लीजिए,
listening
पहले
and you
धैर्य
were not
रखिए.
speaking. Now you won't let me
I have
speak.
to complete my point and then you come in. Arnab, please regulate the debate. Please regulate the debate.
Please.
I request you.
Please.
Yeah, if you
See,
both allow me,
the
please. I just
sinister-
want to say one thing. The
sinister
moot point
design
is,
of the
but the
Congress-
moot point is, the moot point is, I want to bring you to the moot point, Gaurav, please focus on the moot point. The moot point. I want you to focus on the moot point. I want to bring you all on the moot point. The moot point is, why do I call it a betrayal? 1 minute. There is enough evidence, anecdotal and otherwise, which has now come out that the armed forces wanted to respond, were capable of giving Pakistan a bloody nose. Simple. Right? And they wanted the permission. The permission did not come. The country wanted us to hit back. The permission did not come. In that sense, national interest, national security was compromised. And the government, the Congress government, had a give a damn attitude to how the people of this country felt. Gaurav will complete, then we are back on the debate. Yes, please.
Arnab, quickly.
World recession in 2008.
Thank
you are making.
There might have been some reasons why we did not retaliate, unlike the present government, which retaliates only for domestic.
No, 1 minute. We are seeing too many people speak together. No, 1 minute. 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Gaurav, I'll come back to you. 1 minute. Gaurav, I'm coming back to you. No, what did I say? 1 minute. 1 minute. Just a minute. DK, listen to me. DK, listen to me. DK, one second. DK and Abdul Razak, please don't go into that. Don't go into that non-stop mode. My question is, can I just, what did I say which was ever wrong? 1 minute. 1 minute.
No, you
Tell
are
me one
making
thing,
a lot of
DK.
sense. I'm
Tell
only
me one
saying
thing, DK.
you are making
Look at me.
sense
Look at me and hear me. Look at me and hear me. Look at me and hear me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me and hear me. Hear me. Hear me. Hear me. Hear me. Hear me. I'm not a Manish Tiwari. I don't wake up after 13 years, Rip Van Winkle, and say, oh, now I think I'll say what we should have done then. Manish Tiwari is right. The Congress was wrong and is wrong. And why are you getting touchy when I'm saying, what? Tell me, didn't Fali Major say that despite being ready to attack, and he was the air chief, that the government was not in the favor of an airstrike? No, 1 minute. I don't need you to be with me. The fact is Manmohan Singh stopped an airstrike. Somebody should get Manmohan Singh on record. You made him out to be a patron saint of everything that's right, Mr. Clean, which he is not, because the maximum corruption happened under his time. My question is, Manmohan Singh stopped the Indian Air Force from hitting back. I need to know why. What was his thinking? He has to give a rationale. Why did he stop the forces?
It didn't occur.
What do you mean well?
Yeah. I mean that could be a mistake or no.
What?
But what I'm saying is, no, that could be a mistake. But get somebody
Mistake?
from BJP who makes some sense.
Mistake?
Gaurav Bhatia,
You brush it off as a mistake. Okay, now stop. I'll get Gaurav to respond. It's like some people. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, please. Just 1 minute. It was a mistake. Like some people, after being caught red-handed in the Radia tape, said, error of judgment. Rubbish. Don't give me the mistakes argument. It was not a mistake. It was a considered decision by the Manmohan Singh government to let Pakistan off the hook. No, it was a considered decision. It was a tactical retreat. It was not a mistake. Don't underwhelm it. I have Air Marshal Borbora. He will speak. But I'll first let Gaurav complete. Gaurav.
I agree.
No, it is not a mistake. No, it is not a mistake. It was a peacenik approach. It was this Aman Ki Asha approach. Please. It was not a mistake. Gaurav.
Three cardinal sins of the Congress for which people of our country will not forgive them. The first, they did not give a clearance to the brave Indian Air Force and armed forces to retaliate when our armed forces were capable. Second, there was a conspiracy. They coined the term Hindu terror so that the blame could be shifted to the Hindu citizens of our country rather than punishing Pakistan. And third, Rahul Gandhi was seen partying. This is the picture I showed during the press conference also. Can an Indian citizen party when there has been a terror attack on our country? But Rahul Gandhi could do it. And Arnab, the then Home Minister Shivraj Patel was changing.
Where was he
partying? Can I reply? Gaurav Bhatia ji, you have asked 3 questions. Can I reply?
He was partying at a farmhouse. At a farmhouse in Delhi.
Gaurav Bhatia ji, can I reply?
Question of yours.
Yes, here. He was partying till we
I
are
think
on the
the
morning
skies would
at a
have been
farmhouse
clear
in Delhi.
then
Walk out of this
that
debate.
Manmohan
This is
Singh
the
would have
news.
sent the fighter jets.
What a shame.
Gaurav Bhatia ji, I think the sky would have
You
been
know,
clear
Fali,
and there were
Homi
no
Major
clouds
is
that
an
Manmohan
expert.
Singh could have sent
I'm
the
not
fighter
an
jets.
expert. You are not an
He would have
expert.
thought that
Why
they
did
would
you
come
not
under
allow
Pakistan radar.
the Indian Air Force to
Whatever
retaliate?
action you have
Tell me
taken, that is not
आपके
for
हाथ
national
किसने बांधे थे?
security.
घूस थे?
That was to win votes.
पाकिस्तान
That was for your domestic
आपका अपना लगता है,
political gain.
हम लोग पराए हैं।
You should
तुम
understand.
कहेंगे इमरान खान भाई हैं, तो ये जो
Every action
जवान
cannot be
शहीद
a
होते हैं, ये
military
कौन है? ये
Every
आपके
action
कौन है?
cannot be
कोई नहीं है।
military. You should respect the armed forces.
No, one
You
minute.
cannot question the armed
पुलवामा में शहीद हुए वो
forces.
कहाँ थे? आप हैं, इनके अच्छे नहीं लगते थे।
हो सकती
वो
है।
देश के लोग
How dare
थे।
you
Narendra
question?
Modi ji can give
How
a free
dare
hand
you
to
question
the
the armed
armed forces when he can trust
If you
them
talk about
completely.
political
Why
will,
can't the Congress
what
party
happens
do
to
the same?
political will
Why
today?
did they fail?
Abdul
Are we
Razak,
not
if you are going to be
quiet?
quiet.
Are we not
The
quiet
brave
on China?
Indian armed
Are we not
forces.
waiting for the right time? There
पता
might
नहीं
have been a
दोनों बोले
situation
जा
like
रहे हैं।
that.
Quiet.
Abdul Razak, have you
सोनिया
finished?
गांधी को बुलाइए,
Mr. Razak, have you
क्या
finished?
होगा?
Maybe yesterday.
सोनिया गांधी
Mr.
क्यों नहीं निकल के आती?
No, 1 minute, one minute.
सोनिया गांधी बोलेंगी
No,
कि
1
ये
minute, 1
होना
minute.
चाहिए।
So, 1 minute, 1 second. One second. Sonia Gandhi does not like being questioned. Congress does not like being questioned. That's not the issue. I have a point to make. May I make my point, please? May I make my point? Can you give me a minute, please? I'm steering the debate back on track.
It's not about the country. She's just an ordinary citizen like any other citizen. She was trying to direct
Okay, now I continue with my point.
World
remote
was
control.
facing recession.
Made
A
him
military
default.
dialogue wouldn't have been possible
Okay,
then.
may I
Even we are
please,
waiting for the right time against China,
may I please?
Even today.
Okay, now Razak, don't be repetitive. Producers, I'm coming into the debate. Vikraman is on, Ramnik Man is on, Everyone hold on, please. Please calm down, everyone. Gaurav Bhatia, everyone. Just calm down for a minute. I haven't got to Air Marshal Barbara, but I want to say a couple of things before I Razak, just Mr. Kingra, listen, I am giving a kinetic intellectual strength to my points by making them factually impregnable. My points are so strong that you have no answer to them.
After that.
That's why you keep speaking over me.
No, who says? Who says?
Yeah, I will listen.
Who says?
I
You
will
say
listen.
this. Let me answer it. Okay, then carry on.
Who says? You're challenging me. No, Mr. Kingra, 1 minute. Mr. Kingra is on the debate. I'll get Air Marshal Barbara. 1 minute. You're challenging me on my program. 1 minute.
Please.
Mr. Kingra, did you just do that?
No.
Are you challenging me on my program?
No,
No, but you just did. You said, who
There's
says?
no question of
I
challenge
never let a
anybody.
challenge
Let
go.
the people
I never let
speak
a
on their
challenge
turn.
go
Let the
unresponded.
people
So
speak on
I
their
accept
turn.
your challenge. I'm not a Rahul Gandhi. No, I'm not a Rahul Gandhi. I will accept your challenge and respond in kind. You said, who said? Now listen to the answer, right? Listen to the answer. You said, who said? I say, Shiv Shankar Menon said.
You have to listen to my
Everyone's
answer as
on the
well.
debate. Shiv Shankar Menon, he said, 1 minute, Mr. Kingra, please. You said, who said? I say, then Foreign Secretary Shiv Shankar Menon wrote. He said, there were military options. There were kinetic options. And I know in this country, you don't question some people. Like there's an unwritten policy, never question Pranab Mukherjee. But I will question Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee was the then foreign minister. What was Pranab Mukherjee doing? The nation wants to know. Manmohan Singh was prime minister. Latian says this unwritten code. Let's not question Manmohan. Let's not question Pranab. Sorry. Pardon me?
Defense minister. Defense minister, the most disastrous defense minister in history.
Do you want me to answer?
Arnab, may I now?
Do you want?
Correct.
Do you want an answer
Anthony,
from me or you don't
so
want
I
an answer from me?
absolutely, no. Air Marshal Barbara is on the debate. Air Marshal Barbara is on the debate. 1 point before I go to Air Marshal Barbara. Don't question the army. Don't question the Air Force. They were ready. It is not just Fali Major.
Who does it?
Even
Who does
former
it?
IFG's BS Dhanua.
Who does it?
In 2019, Air Marshal Dhanua said, we knew where the terror camps were located in Pakistan. We were ready. It was a political decision. You stopped the Air Force. You stopped our soldiers. You betrayed the country. Don't question the forces. Air Marshal Barbara, you tell me, sir, were we ready then? Where were you then? You tell me, sir. Nobody knows it better than you. No, tell us exactly what happened.
Even they are ready today. They were they were ever ready.
Okay.
Our forces, we salute, they are ever ready. Our forces are ever ready. They were never, in a position where they were not ready.
Former Air Vice Chief, Air Marshal P.K. Barbara has taken the stage.
Okay. Now with the request from our political participants in this debate, please don't politicize something which was a national decision of the country. You are no one. Don't talk of the past. If I were to go back to past, India has been a soft state for thousands of years. We have welcomed the Mughals, we have welcomed the Alexander the Great, we have welcomed the British, we have welcomed everyone. We are such a soft state, unfortunately. And then we had in the government people of good knowledge. But for goodness sake, let us not politicize. Yaar. If you know something more about defense and the Air Force than me, please then speak up after I finish. But my request is, please give me some time. I have come on this after 35 minutes. Please give me some time. Look, I've already said India has been a soft state. But whenever it came to a war, whichever government was there, we did very well indeed. And I congratulate all the participants, whether political, whether the defense services. We have done very well. We have kept India's flag flying very high. So don't criticize the services. Please don't. Now, 26/11 took place. I was commanding Western Air Command, the 7th largest command in the world, Air Force in the world, okay? It was my duty to look after the West and North. For 24 hours after the incident of 26/11, the chiefs were not even consulted by the government of India. No political party I'm touching. The government of India didn't question or call us to ask what can we do. Isn't it a shame? We have been hit. Over 150 plus people died, including foreigners. And we did not have the guts to call the three service chiefs to say, what can you do?
Politicize.
I'm sorry.
You are becoming political. Sir, you said not to politicize.
I have not taken any government's name.
I'm really sorry, sir. I have great respect for you.
I have not taken any political party's name.
Mr. Razak, I'm telling you, I'm warning you, don't interrupt Air Marshal Barbara. No, 1 minute, Air Marshal Barbara, do not engage in the debate with him. He's trying to heckle you. He's trying to distract you. He's trying to stop you from telling the truth. And he will not do that. I'm warning you, volume down.
Keep it
I'm
quiet,
telling you, he's trying to stop you from telling the truth. It's a standard political strategy, sir. Let me warn you.
We were ready.
Standard political strategy.
We were ready in every respect. Believe you me, after 26/11, our fleets, at least on the air defense mode, was ready in 2 hours' time. In 2 hours' time, we were ready and we were getting our strike fleet ready at that time. But no decision was given by the government because they didn't even call us for 24 hours plus. I am not taking any names of political party. I am saying government. Please understand. Why were we not told anything?
And you know who was the government at that time?
Why weren't we told?
They call you after
that
24 hours. That's why you're not naming the government.
Why? I asked.
Air Marshal.
I asked.
Arnab, may I?
It is simply politics, nothing else you're talking.
Now next thing.
Please hold it.
People then said the intelligence was lacking. Intelligence was lacking. It happened in Kargil. Again, intelligence was lacking. What is happening here? Why do you palm off the blame to someone else when a decision has to be a government decision after taking cognizance of what the opinion of the three services are? I am sure the Navy also had moved out the ships. The Army was getting ready at the LOC and LAC. But we were not called upon to do anything.
Arnab,
Yes, about a month later, I was
question
asked
to the Air
as
Marshal.
to what can
May
be
I
done
ask,
under
please?
these circumstances.
With all respect
to
in
know.
And I
regard
had
to the
briefed
uniformed services.
No, you can't question the Air Marshal.
Let me make a point, sir, here. Let me
Again,
make a
he's agreeing.
point.
He's
to question the Air Marshal, Arnab.
No,
This
one
is
minute.
not
Did I allow you? Did I allow you, Mr. Kingra? Did I allow you, Mr. Giri? Mr. Kingra, Mr. Giri, hold on. Did I allow you? I didn't allow you. I don't remember allowing you. I don't remember allowing you. You're just stopping him. Can I have the volume for the Air Marshal higher, please? Because I want to hear him.
71 was great.
I want to hear him. They don't want to hear him.
I salute the government in power then. But what happened in 2611 was a shame to India. If today someone is talking of anything,
Mr. Kingra.
if Mr.
Kingra
Tiwari has written a book which has not been published as yet, I admire at least his guilty conscience has come forward to write something. His guilty conscience has pricked
His guilt
him.
has come out 13 years later.
That is why he is coming.
Volume higher.
I have been also called a warmonger, okay? By none less than the Pakistani media. Yes, I was trained for 45 years in some uniform or the other, and in the Air Force of 40.5 years. I have been taught how to look after the enemy. But if I am not being asked to look after because of a lack of conviction of a government,
But,
of
sir, the decision
people
is taken by
in
the democratically elected
I am
government.
sorry,
In
India will
democracy, the
carry on
decisions
being
are taken
called
by the
soft
Democratically elected government. One minute. What was that? What was that? What was that? 1 minute. Can I respond? My volume is not clear in the studio, please. I want to respond to Kingra. Kingra says Ramnik Man. Kingra says to everything. Air Marshal Babura, I have to interrupt you there. Kingra says, can the volume be higher in the studio? I'm not hearing the guest properly. I'm not hearing the guest properly. Kingra says, Mr. Kingra says, Ramnik Man, he says, don't forget the
All your
decision.
children have joined the services. That you talk about the services.
He says,
democratic setup, not in a military setup like Pakistan.
Mr. Kingra will debate with Ramnik Man, not more than 2 at a time, please. Mr. Kingra, will you wait? Mr. Kingra, will you wait? Mr. Kingra, why is it?
May I have my opportunity
Mr.
to
Kingra,
speak
why is
now?
it that you can't answer a single question and keep heckling like that? Is it a habit? 1 minute. Our question is, Ramnik, he says, I can respond when I'll get you. He says, don't ask us what we did.
Arnab, don't tell me that I am not able to answer a single question. You are not ready to listen.
You will not be able to answer. Let me ask you a question.
But you're not.
The opinion for a particular political party.
Arnab, allow me.
You are advocating for a particular
Mr.
political
Kingra,
party.
you are heckling everybody on the
You are not
panel,
holding a
including
debate.
the
Then 1 minute,
anchor.
I want to respond to him, please. If he's going to be quiet. 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
future, I will not
Ramnik,
join this
please,
panel.
Ramnik, be quiet for a minute. I'm responding. I'm going to give it back to Mr. Kingra right now. Mr. Kingra, you asked for it. You asked for it. You've been going on and on. You're trying to get personal
Then you
with
have
me.
to listen back also.
Okay? You are saying 1 minute, Mr. Kingra, listen to me.
Because
Listen to me.
you are moderating
Can
this
I give you a
debate,
bit of
Mr.
advice?
Arnab, and
Can
you
I-
must moderate
can I give you-
judiciously. You must moderate judiciously.
Mr. Kingra, first of all, Mr. Kingra, can I 1 minute, Ramnik, wait a while. No, I'm responding to him. Mr. Ramnik, I'm going to come to you. Mr. Kingra, I will anchor the debate the way I want. All right? I've been in the media long
Then I will
enough.
not enter the debate.
You've been a
quit
forest
this
service
debate right
officer.
now.
Do I
will
tell you?
never come to your debates.
Would I tell you?
It's a promise.
Would I tell you how to manage a forest? No. So don't tell me how to anchor a show.
Then this debate
Okay,
is not worth
now
my
just relax
this
there.
debate
Okay,
is not
second
worth my
point.
stature.
Second
if you
point.
Want to conduct
Second
it the way
point.
You want it, there
Second
are
point.
rules
This
for a
debate is the most well-prepared
Rules cannot be
debate.
set up by
It has
the
a
anchor.
it
There
has
are
a
debate
reputation of the best research. And we are not a Lutyens channel with a four-letter
monologue.
name. Okay.
It is a
The question is,
monologue.
Leela Ponappa
You
said.
speak, you answer,
Leela
you
Ponappa
put
said.
question, you answer.
Leela Ponappa said. Okay, have you relaxed? Calm down.
In
Breathe.
democracy, the decision for wars
I
are
think
taken by the
Manmohan Singh went to Yusuf Raza Gilani after the 2611 attacks and said he's a man of peace.
Bravely only.
Your party's prime minister called Yusuf Raza Gilani a man of peace. And is he wrong? You invented the Hindu terror threat after 2611. You invented.
Arnab, may I
the
now
Hindu
please?
terror threat after 2611. And then 1 minute, and then Digvijay Singh of your party, 1 minute, I'm going to give it back to you. Digvijay Singh of your party blamed the RSS for 2611. Shame on you.
You are one of the
Shame on you. It's Kasab from the
Your
RSS.
anchor is one of the
Your party blamed the
No, it
RSS for
cannot be a
2611. You're asking me questions. Mr. Kingra, quiet now. It's between you and me now.
How can you say you are moderating the debate?
Your party blamed the RSS for 2611. Shame on you. You reprimanded the Home Secretary for exposing Pakistan. SM Krishna lambasted, 1 minute please, SM Krishna lambasted then Home Secretary G.K. Pillai for revealing David Headley's revelations linking Pakistan's ISI to 2611.
Mr. Arnab, please.
1 minute. I want to give it back to Mr. Kingra once.
Please be democratic.
Just one second. Mr. Kingra, tell me. Mr. Kingra. Mr. Kingra, why did Mr. Kingra? Mr. Kingra.
That is why the party lost power.
Just 1 minute. Mr. Vikraman, I am asking Ramneek on the debate. I am telling you. Not one answer. I can't get the audio in the studio. There's a problem, Anand.
National security, Mr. Arnab.
Arnab, allow us to make
I can't hear.
Dominated like that in national media.
45 minutes in the debate, may I? 45 minutes in the debate, may I?
Ramneek Man and Vikraman, yeah.
Thank you so much, Arnab. Each time a congressman writes a book, it opens a can of worms and displays how rotten the Congress is on the inside, number one. Number two, talking about the democratic setup, I must remind the Congress spokesperson that they were at 145 seats and the BJP was 138. Just 7 Lok Sabha seats apart, they could have taken the opposition into confidence. Now this brings me to my next point, which is about how Shakespeare mentioned in one of his plays, Act 3, Scene 2, Coriolanus. In this it says, I prithee now, my son, go to them with this bayonet in thy hand, and thus far having stretched it there with them, thy knees bussing the stones in such business. Action is eloquence. Now action of the Prime Minister, he was a mute spectator. Action of the then Home Minister, Shivraj Patil, changing his clothes 5 times. Action of the then Defense Minister A.K. Antony saying we have no money. Action of the Luton's media, who's acting as an informer for the Pakistani handlers of the terrorists inside the hotels and causing casualties on our side. You know, they didn't allow the army and the armed forces their role to play. They had their hands tied behind their backs. Now, as far as Mr. A.K. Antony is concerned, I must say, weapons or no weapons, had you permitted our men, they would have snatched the guts out of the Pakistanis with their bare hands. That is the strength of the Indian Armed Forces, which sadly was not allowed to perform. Now, finally, I should tell you, the current government acquired Rafale, they got S-400s, they got bulletproof jackets, they got all the latest weaponries. The Prime Minister a few days back dedicated a lot of military equipment to the army. Now, sir, again, Uri and Balakot happened. That I have to say, Arnab, action truly is eloquence, and they should have acted when they have time. I must make one last point, Arnab.
Let me give my point here.
The Prime Minister then, Manmohan Singh, wanted to surrender Siachen to Pakistan and name it the Mountain of Peace.
Security which concerns
he wanted to name it the Mountain of Peace.
So my point here
that is the action that is expected out of the 7th largest country in the world, the 3rd strongest army in the world, the second most populous country in the world, 1.3 billion people, led by somebody
a follow-up. Ramneek, I want to get Vikraman. Ramneek, I want to give Vikraman equal chance. One point before Vikraman comes in. Vikraman, never forget, Congress party was praised by Hafiz Saeed after 8 years after 2611. 8 years after 2611, Hafiz Saeed said, in the reference to the Congress party, that Congress says by blaming Pakistan, you can't solve Kashmir. Therefore, I believe there are good people in Bharat. So, Hafiz Saeed gives the Congress party a clean chit, a certificate, starts praising them. Is this context? You understand the context,
no,
Vikraman? You understand why I'm questioning the Congress party?
No, first
yes,
of all,
please,
first
go
of
ahead.
all, can we be... No. Let me say something. First of all, let us be sympathizing with the 2611 martyrs. Can we not be politicize this? We are politicizing
no, this is not about sympathy.
Security here. The martyrs, just
Rubbish.
in 2-3 days we are having that martyrs day, and we are politicizing such a big issue here. So all I can see is BJP is actually politicizing because they have lost their face in Pulwama attack. After 2019 Pulwama attack, BJP has lost its face here. You know, there is one paper which has been submitted and...
Did BJP write the book?
No, it was
No,
submitted
Mr. Vikraman,
in...
who's written the book?
Yeah, did BJP write
Yes,
the book?
American...
Who's
No,
written the book?
BJP did not write the book.
book was
but
written
it
by
was
a
written by a congressman. But he was never a prime minister of this country. He was never a defense minister of this country. He was never anybody of this country. He was just a congressman.
He was in the cabinet.
He was MOS,
anybody
he was,
can
he
write
was
anything.
MOS, MEA and Minister of Information and
How could you
Broadcasting.
question the country's national security?
What are you talking?
Will you talk about 40
There is something called collective leadership, right?
Killed in Pulwama, and BJP has lost its...
And you're going on about
BJP
South
has
India,
lost its
South
core
India.
vote bank
Who was the defense
of national
minister?
security.
He was a
The
South
citizens
Indian.
have lost
You're
faith in
talking about a
BJP
South Indian
to
not being
face
allowed to
save
speak on the
that
debate on
effect,
national security.
to face
National
save it.
security was in
They
the
are
hands of a
putting this
so-called
blame
South
on the
Indian.
Congress. They are now. No.
Okay, okay. 1 minute. We're moving away. Gaurav Bhatia,
They are
Gaurav.
now making a jibe at 2611 Matthias.
Indian here.
Can you be
We are one
please
country.
be patient and sympathizing
Why do
with
you
these
make
people?
this narrow?
Arnab, I will respond.
Who
now.
said no, nobody's making a jibe at martyrs who died.
And if the viewers...
He had nothing to say about the martyrs who died. He talked about a
Yeah, but
political decision. You're making a mistake.
What do you mean by South Indian Defense Minister?
Arnab,
No, I'm not making a mistake here. Why such a thing?
Gaurav Bhatia is on the way. Gaurav and Tingra closing, 30 seconds. Gaurav Bhatia and Mr. Tingra, please, 30 seconds.
Why are we discussing it now?
Gaurav Bhatia and Mr. Tingra, I said. Anand, thank you. Gaurav.
Citizens' lives are a joke for you.
Yes, it is, anytime. Of course it is.
Arnab, today there is another very condemnable statement made by Mani Shankar Iyer. वो कहते हैं भारत डरा हुआ खरगोश है और चीन और पाकिस्तान से डरता है. तो मैं इतना ही कहूंगा, बर्बाद गुलिस्ता करने को बस एक ही उल्लू काफी था. कांग्रेस की हर शाख पे उल्लू बैठा है. अंजामे गुलिस्ता क्या होगा? And the difference is this: when Uri happened, after 10 days, our brave Indian army retaliated and surgical strikes happened. That was the will of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. When Pulwama happened, after 12 days, Balakot airstrike happened. And Pakistan में घुस के ठोका क्योंकि हमारी सेना वीर है. कमजोरी थी तो कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व में थी, सोनिया गांधी में थी, मनमोहन सिंह में थी.
On the other side,
इतिहास
on the other side, the breaking news story which came after 8 o'clock today. Gaurav Bhatia, thanks very much. We're getting the breaking news. We got the breaking news. When you see the number of bills which are going to be placed in this parliament session, one of the bills there is the crypto bill. And the most important part of that story is that the crypto bill is talking about the possible prohibition of all private cryptocurrencies. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a warning out there in case you're holding private cryptocurrencies. There's going to be a bill that is talking about possible prohibition of private cryptocurrencies. What happens to people who have private cryptocurrency then, who already put their money there? That's something that we need more information on. Also on the other side, the issue to discuss about cryptocurrency is the misinformation that's been spread, especially by some news channels who've been taking money from crypto companies on the one side and then saying, let's talk about crypto in a planted way in the news on the other. I'm asking you, ladies and gentlemen, have these Lutyens channels absolutely no shame? They take money from crypto companies to do surrogate advertising in the form of editorials on cryptocurrency, and then they say, we know about the ethics of journalism. Do they know about the ethics of journalism? No, ladies and gentlemen. They who join hands with the crypto companies to do this kind of quote-unquote news have sold their soul. I'll see you on the crypto debate on the other side.